In today's video, we are focusing on Chevron and Herringbone styles of wood flooring. Herringbone and Chevron are pretty similar to each other, but the key difference is how the joints are overlapped. This is a 50-year-old European restaurant by the Lake Geneva. We saw these floors over here and we are just amazed by the way they kept it. The maitre said they don't maintain this a lot, but you can see the herringbone pattern and the way it sounds. The sound is the authenticity, and you can see motifs over here. You can see the lining, the borders, everything is done with wood. I'm sure it has a base frame in it, which makes that cracking sound as you'll be able to hear it in the video. But you can see they've incorporated triangles, squares with different species of wood. Some are light, some are dark. The lining, and they've used chevron on the side, but the base on the main floor you can see it's all herringbone. The joints are all herringbone. You can see chevron on the side, but they haven't used chevron there. So looking at this and the way now they've replicated all of these designs in laminate flooring, for me chevron does not do the job. It has to be an authentic herringbone joint that uplifts the laminate floor as well. This gives the authentic wood floor feeling when the joint is a herringbone joint, not a chevron joint. It's easy to maintain, easy to install. It looks much better than the regular laminate floors. So herringbone laminate flooring is the way to go.